Hello everyone, it's your girl Paper Robin, and in today's video we are learning how I make my thumbnails. I thought this would be a fun and exciting video. Today we are I'm showing you how I make my Minecraft thumbnails because that's honestly one of the easiest, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you do. So I start out in Pocket Edition on my drawing tablet. And how you get your skin onto the drawing tablet, like on Pocket Edition from the PC, is you go to Skin Decks and you go to Skin Grabber. Now you click on Skin Grabber, then you simply just type in your username into the search bar, and it's the coolest thing. Your skin will pop up, and then you can just download your skin. You can literally do this with anyone's skin you want to. And then what I do is I go to the emotes. And I look at these emotes and I decide which one would be best for my video. So once I pick one out, I'll take a screenshot of it. But I find there's a lot of fun ones, and this has crazy fun positions, which is how I get my crazy fun positions in my videos. Sometimes I'll edit them a little, but most of the time, this is where I get them. So I decided to do backwards, like my character facing that way, as you can see, because the main focus I want to be on the village that's going to be in this thumbnail. And if you have too many focuses in a thumbnail, it's overwhelming for the viewer and they will not click on your video. So here I'm just going to kind of draft out my idea for this thumbnail, just so I kind of have a vague idea, just in case if I have to leave and come back to making this thumbnail. So this is just how I do it. I decided I wanted a little bit of like words in it, because you really want to make sure you tell a story with your thumbnail. They always say you want to be able to tell a story in like one glance. So they're like, oh, okay, this is a funny video about this person freaking out over these weird villagers. And I wasn't sure what I was going to put in the backdrop. I just knew it was going to be a weird village. So I just kind of put big and weird so that I'd remember this is what she's looking at, something really strange, until my creativity came back. So, and then I have this lovely little screenshot from Minecraft. You can go on Canva and get them, or you can just pop into Minecraft and take pictures yourself. Here I have duplicated the villagers from my last episode of this series, actually, because I was talking about how that villager was freaky, and I thought it'd be funny if I just had a bunch of clones of that when my character like realizes that everyone in this village is freaky. And then here I'm just outlining the buildings so they fit in better, and then I'm like drawing all my little things I want in it. Here's a note: this guy's throwing a barrel, but when you draw different objects, make sure you keep them square if you're doing Minecraft. You can like add a little round, like the binds are a little roundish, but make sure it's mainly square. And as you can see, I also like made a white outline of myself so I remembered where I was, and make sure you got angry emotions. Emotions are key. And then I decided to trace myself. So you just pull in, trace yourself, shade it, make it look nice. Here's another little note. I decided to add like this triangle highlight on the back of me because it was empty space, and you don't want any empty space in your thumbnails. Then I added my text, and then I decided to pop into filters and add a little bit of color, and because I felt like it wasn't colored enough. And here is my lovely thumbnail. That was super simple. It took me, at least on Procreate, it says it took me about 45 minutes. So that's when I was hitting my pencil onto the tablet. So it doesn't really take that long time, but I absolutely adore doing these, and I really like how this one turned out. So leave a like if you do too, and leave a like if you want to see a more extended tutorial of this. This is kind of a trial to see if you guys like my little tutorials. You did love the last one, so I hope you love this one. So be sure to like and subscribe so you see another one, and comment what type of tutorials you'd like to see on the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!